Well, I got to know about blogging. What is blogging and why should I do blogging? Even I can earn money through blogging. But the important thing is, what are the first steps should I consider before starting a blog? I am really very confused.
Hey, you are looking tense, still bothering about content writing. So do you want to figure it out how to start blogging and publish your content successfully?
Yeah, actually I'm very worried about it. It's really confusing what to look for before starting a blog.
Don't worry, Article is here to help you out. So guys, let's get started with some of the key points that you must know before entering into the field of blogging. The first point is, know your audience. In order to write a content that will resonate with someone, you must have an idea of who is going to read it. You must have a proper knowledge of your targeted audience. They can be a group of students, teachers, parents, or any teenager. And the second point is, you have to study their psychology. Being a content writer, you must be aware of what your readers might be thinking. For example, suppose you are writing a content on technology or something related to fashion, then you should do a proper analysis of the thinking or the thought process or the perception of your readers as well. And the third point is, you have to choose a particular niche from a bunch of niches. So you have to figure out what you love. If you love what you write, then you are much more likely to be successful in the field of content writing.
That is really very insightful. Actually, I got to know many points about blogging.
And the fourth point is the most important one. Put a star mark on it. You have to research a lot. To keep the new content ideas flowing into your mind, you have to enter into the research zone often. You have to search for trending topics and you have to write your content on those trending topics to gain potential readers. You can use Google Trends or any print media or electronic media like television, newspapers, etc. And the next point is, you have to do a lot of keyword research. You have to make your content optimized with best SEO practices so that it can become popular in online digital publishing platforms. So, a smart content creator always use keyword research to find out what topics they should write about and what phrases and keywords they should add while writing. And then the action begins. You have to write your content. You have to write your content by incorporating all those keywords and facts. And to captivate your readers, you can use some posters or images. So, and at last, you have to publish your content. You can publish your content in online digital publishing platforms like Quora, Medium, etc. Or you can create and host your own blog as well. So guys, these are some of the important initial steps that you should take while creating a content and to become a good content writer.
Thank you, Articles. Now I have got a basic idea about how to sell in the field of blogging. But still I am confused how to inculcate all these steps, how to work out on all these steps and produce a complete blog.
Well, stay tuned with Articles to know more about content writing as well as to explore each and every aspects of blogging.
If you have liked the content, like, comment and share the video. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get every notification about our latest update regarding content writing. Thank you for watching.